Our leadership elective here at Marshall Springs promotes individual growth and development in identifying, applying, and refining leadership skills. Essential skills such as communication, problem solving, conflict management, personal wellness, critical thinking, and integrity are explored throughout the semester. Students engage in a wide variety of leadership opportunities, both in the classroom and the school community, to integrate learned skills. The aim of this elective is to enhance learning through meaningful projects that support students in recognizing the influence they can have as leaders and the impact they can make in their own community. Promoting awareness through peer education, facilitation of various fundraisers, and building strong, healthy relationships with others to create a positive school environment all play an integral part of the leadership experience. Extending learning beyond the classroom provides opportunities for personal growth, character education, and team building.